Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, the wonderful Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I got a comped room here today, and once again they upgraded me to a comped suite, so I really do appreciate that. It's on the 20th floor. It's a balcony corner suite, and of course I call it a balcony suite, but technically it does have a balcony, but it just doesn't open. So I guess that's for safety or for legal reasons, or for both, I'm not sure. But in any event, I'm gonna head upstairs and show it to you guys. So come on along and let's check out that 20th floor corner balcony suite, ocean view, shall we? So about a year ago, I was put in a similar suite, only I was on the top floor. This year, I am on the 20th floor, only halfway up the South Tower. Not sure what I did wrong, but I'm sorry, Hard Rock. Just kidding, I'm extremely grateful for this suite. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. To the left is the North Tower of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. We're in the South Tower, and beyond that, that slanted building, of course, is the Showboat. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. As you can see, the Hard Rock's giving me a lot of mouthwash, a spare toothbrush, a lot of soap, and a shower as well as a tub. What are they trying to say? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.